everybody, Happy New Year and welcome in to Susan Senior Style for 2021. So I hope everybody's having a great New Year so far, and hopefully this will be better than 2020, but it's still going to take a while to get everything worked out. So we can only hope for the best. Keep wearing your mask, and it's about all we can do at the time. So make sure you subscribe, like, comment, let me know how you're doing, ring my bell, and make sure, because when I hit 500, I'm going to be doing a great giveaway, and you definitely don't want to miss out on that one. Alright, so I have a little bit of everything today. I did get another one of my gifts from Ted for Christmas. That finally came, and we went and got some random things, so I thought I would share them. Alright, and my bag of the day is my Hema Alma PM. And I got my lock on there from Cheryl. She sent me one at no cost, which was nice. And I have my All About strap on there. It looks really good, along with my multi-clay that I got from KLINTON in Sweden. Alright, and this is from Fashion File for Christmas. One of my Christmas gifts that I love. Alright. And if you mention my name on the All About strap, she'll give you 10% off. So I highly recommend her, and I'll leave all the details in the description box to make it easier for you. Alright, so let's go ahead and do the haul. Alright, so I got the American Sign Language Dictionary. I got that at Kohl's. And me and Ted are going to learn sign language. So I thought that would be kind of a cool book to get. It's got a lot of pictures, that type of thing. I'm going to do a little research online, and we're going to try to learn sign language. So that's our 2021 resolution. Thought that would be kind of cool. Something that we wanted to do for a while. So this is a pretty cool book, and it was on sale for $24 Canadian. So that's pretty good. This book's pretty big. Alright, so looking forward to doing that. Alright, and we went to the calendar store, and we got a few calendars. They had buy two, get one free. So let's see what I got here. Alright, I got a 365 Brain Puzzlers 2021 calendar box set. So I thought that would be kind of cool. Pump it up, it says on the back. And all these calendars are pretty expensive, but if you wait until January, you can get 40% off. So I got 3 calendars, one for free. Let's see here. The Brain Teaser was $13, so that's good. And then what else did I get here? Oh, I got a little Eiffel Tower calendar that's gonna go great in my purse, so I can organize what's going on, basically. Alright, and then I'm going to work with my agenda, with my refill, with the book and the agenda, so that's going to work out really super great. And this is really pretty. I kind of like that design. So that's gonna go in my purse. I think that was $5.59, and this is all in Canadian. All right, and then I got this for upstairs in my office, pug mugs. So I thought that was kind of cute. And then that's all the pugs. I miss my puggy Sadie. My puggy Momo. Yeah, we're thinking about getting a pug, but we're gone, like we go out every single day somewhere. So, yeah. I don't know. We're still thinking about it. Yeah, and Ted misses his Chihuahua. I miss my pug. I had 2 pugs. I had a black pug, Moony Star, and I had a rescue pug, Sadie Sue. She was 9 when we got her. She was in really bad shape. And we got her fixed and got her all fixed up and everything. And she passed away when she was 16, so she had a pretty good life, actually. So, and my other pug was a black male pug, Moony Star, and he was 16. So, there you go. All right, so this is what I got, what part of my Christmas. It's from People's. Comes in a bag like that, and then their box is really pretty. And then I got my receipt. And let's go ahead and open it up and see what I got. Alright, these are really pretty. These are silver with silver balls. And they're pretty good size. I thought they were going to be smaller. But they're okay. They're good. I like them. They have a little ball attached to the hoop. And they're all in silver. So that was part of my Christmas present there from Ted. Alright, so that is my Christmas haul, along with little calendars and our sign language book. So that's going to be kind of fun. We were going to get just a sign language book at the library, but Ted said if we're going to be working with it like every day, we probably should have our own book. So that's why we didn't go the library route. That was kind of my theory, but he also had a good theory. If we're going to be using it every day, then checking it in, checking it out of the library may be kind of a headache. So we just decided to buy the book and try to learn how to do some sign language. Alright, so what are you guys doing this holiday? Are you doing anything fun? Are you doing things with your family? Have you started to learn a new language? Leave all the comments below. I always appreciate that. And until next time, thanks for watching. Susan from Senior Style, from a senior point of view. And I hope you have a great day. See you soon. Bye, guys.